Hi there and welcome to another FPS video. And today's topic is Transavia or Transavia, I don't know. They are a Dutch low-cost airline founded in 1965. Oh, the 60s. Drugs, the sexual revolution, girls in miniskirts. But anyway, let's stay on topic. In 2003, they became fully sorry about that. In 2003, they became a full subsidiary company of KLM. At the time of this recording, and according to their own page, they fly to more than 100 destinations in Europe. And PlaneSpotter's.net tells us that they have 45 planes in service, of which 39 are Boeing 737 and 6 are Airbus A321. Hey, come on, I'm talking here! Keep the noise down! What the fudge? Jesus! Well, anyway, the video is done. Be kind and generous, and always keep your eyes in the sky.